Mr. Tate, how are you, brother?
I'm good, friend. You? I can say some other things which aren't very PC, but they're true. I think it's better if you're.
All right, new day. Yesterday we got done talking with Andrew Tate for a little bit over at his Squatus house. Now we're actually going to Jordan Bound's Airbnb to film a podcast. We're gonna drop some sauce for you guys in the e-com world, online business world, and just personal branding. So I'll catch you guys there in a moment.
First, second, I so like, at what point is,
This is my shitty tripod right here.
bootstrapping, dog. There's a couple e-commerce brands I consult. When I do consulting, it's mainly in the content space.
Post podcast.
Yeah, post podcast. Some little basketball right now. We're back in the Airbnb where Jordan's staying. So let me see if I can shoot my first three. It's been a while.
Oh.
Fuck, got that. Gee, little launch. Fucking hell, dude.
You hear that?
Yeah. Oh shit.
That's shooting coins every time.
Is $50 a day an ad spend okay to start? Yeah, that's what we start with, 50 or 100.
If you're saying what's the first metric, I would say you should have the ability to.
Mr. Tate, how are you, brother?
I'm good, friend. You?
Good, man. Good. I just wanted to hop on for a minute. I'm 23, run my own business as well as I'm a crypto investor, and I'm looking to be hiring some people soon for my business. And I wanted to see what your thoughts and opinions were in terms of the hiring process, because I've gone through some people. A lot of them aren't very reliable. So what certain characteristics and personality traits do you look to when hiring people?
Yeah. So you can't motivate people with money, and you don't want to try. You don't want mercenaries. You want people who are true believers in the cause. If you fight any war and you hire mercenaries, they're fine when the war is going well and they're winning. But as soon as things get difficult and they're under fire, they don't want to die. Nobody wants to die for money. Nobody wants hard times for money. It's just not the way it works. So make sure you're not trying to motivate them financially. Get people who understand the mission you're on and who believe in you as a person. And if you do the hiring process right, you'll be surprised how many people will come along and prove themselves to you for free. And from there, then you'll choose the ones who prove themselves monumentally effective. I can say some other things which aren't very PC, but they're true. I think it's better if you're trying to work with a business like yours, which is very dynamic and a lot of long hours, and you might be trying to work remotely. I think it's better to work with men. And I think than women, because women get preoccupied and they're busy on this day, that day, etc. And truthfully, you want people to believe in your vision. So it's not a matter of saying to people, I want to hire you to edit videos. You have to say, I want to hire you to make people understand the truth about this, and that's going to affect the world that way, and we are going to be rewarded in this regard. You need people to believe in the mission a lot more than the job itself.
Makes sense. Thank you, brother.
Cheers, bro.
Welcome back. Another day, another dollar, right? So right now we're on our way to the office to pick up an extra microphone cable. We're filming a podcast with Sebastian Escueda. I'll catch you at his house.
Shit, I might need a drink too. I haven't done this in a while.
You want to real quick? Crack one open. Come on.
Frank, you could sell the best product, but if your video's shit, no one's going to even come on your website. So that's the same thing with everyone's store. And so I think creative is number one. If you have been into crypto, now you're in like processing, but you have a new software out and I've been using it and it's getting me good results. I'm seeing it. So what exactly is it for people who don't know? What's your software?
A little analogy I like to give is, say that you want to go and target people on Instagram.
I told them we should go shooting today.
Were they down?
Yeah, they want to.
Yeah?
They should shoot full auto guns. They'll love it.
Oh, yeah.
You ever been to Grand Canyon? You ever been to Antelope? You ever
I've
been
been
camping?
We need to do camping, all of us.
I know, we're supposed to go this weekend.
No, this weekend.
Yeah, we got to see that, Optima, and then Brett was saying the Residences is a decent one. You guys trying to drink at all?
I probably won't.
I'll have a drink, yeah. Something
We're
like
on vacation, you know.
The next day.
pretty good.
What do you got there?
A little club sandwich. If you like this video, go to the website on the screen right now, Frankifyy with 2ys.com for exclusive podcasts as well as learning how to grow your social media pages. Of course, as usual, don't be motivated, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.